We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
This one is the another part program. By looking the drawing, it also seems little complex. So it is better to use G90, means the incremental programming mode, rather to use absolute programming mode. Once again, I want to repeat, there is no thumb rule to use the absolute mode or incremental mode, but programmer can use the G90 or G90 mode because the starting point is specified and origin is also specified. We have to move the cutter in left direction to the right because number 1 is given at the origin, second number is in upward direction but in left, and third number is also left. It shows or it pressurize us to use the compensation command G41, that is compensation in left. If we use the G42 command, that will be wrong because the movement of the cutter must be from the point 1 to 2 to 3. So we use the G41 command for the radius compensation in left. So the first block N010, we use absolute programming mode with the workpiece coordinate system 1, initial position of the tool x0 y0 at point 1, block number N030 with the rapid traverse of the tool in z direction 10 mm away from the top surface, block number N40. We change the motion of the tool by using G01, that is for linear interpolation because we are very close to the workpiece surface and want to machine G41 compensation in left with the address D. Now Z minus 10 means the cutter is moved under the workpiece up to 10 mm with the speed of 250 mm per minute and speed 1200 mm rpm, and the cutter is start to rotate in clockwise direction. Now, as we discussed earlier, we can change the programming mode as per our conveniency. Once we find this figure is a little difficult, and if we use the absolute mode command, it will be a tedious and frustrating task to measure the coordinate value. It is better to change the programming mode from absolute to incremental by using G91 command as written in block number N50 with G01 command and Y 14.5 mm. It means the cutter will move only in Y direction up to 14.5 mm linearly, and we reach at the point number 2. Now we want to move to the point number 3, and for that we have to rotate the cutter in circular motion, and this motion is anti-clockwise. So we have to use the command Z03 as written in block N060 with the coordinate value of x minus 10 and y10 with r tag. Here the value of coordinate x is negative because the movement is in left direction from the 0 point, and y is positive because the moment of y is above the 0 point. So we move to the point number 3 by using the command Z03 that is used for the circular interpolation in anticlockwise. Here we want to move straight up to 10 mm in x direction, but at the point 3 the value of coordinate x is 0 and y is also 0. So we move in left direction from that 0. We have to write x minus 10 with command G01, that is for the linear interpolation. Now once again we have to use the circular interpolation command for counterclockwise direction. So we use G03 command with the coordinate value x minus 10 because radius is given as 10 mm and the movement is in left direction from the 0 point. Y is also negative because movement is in downward direction from 0. Now here is the straight cut of 2 mm. That's why we use the command Z01 with the coordinate value y minus 2, and there is no movement in x direction. Here one arc or the semicircle is given, so it can be written by two way. Programmer can write a single block for this whole arc, or it can be divided in two part quarter arc from this point. What is the difference between these two blocks? If we want to write a single block and want to use with the circular interpolation in clockwise direction, we can use G02 command, and because we use incremental mode command, we have to write the value of x is 0 because y is 0 because the tool is moved in the same point in y direction, and the value of x is 12.5 plus 2, that is minus 25 in x direction with the radius of r 12.5. Once again I want to repeat the block for the whole arc. G02 for circular interpolation. X moment is 25 mm, 12.5 plus 12.5, and Y is 0 because both the point are in same line. Here we divide the arc in two parts. So we wrote G02 with X minus 12.5 with Y minus 12.5. Both are in minus because X is moved towards the left direction, and also below the 0 point. Similarly, in the next block, we wrote G02 command with X minus 12. Once again, X moment is in left from 0, but the moment of Y is in upward direction from the last position. We use Y 12.5, no negative sign, and complete the arc. Now there is a straight movement in upward direction, so we have to use the command G01 as written in N120 with the value change in Y direction only because there is no movement in Y. So from move to the last point. Now there is a curvature part, and that movement is in anti-clockwise direction. We use G03 command with the coordinate value x20 y20 because both are positive from the reference point. Movement of x in right as well as movement of y is in upward with the dimensions of 12 mm. Radius is 12. Here is a simple G01 command and the value written as G01 with x20. Here is also a simple cross movement linear motion, but in both direction x and y, so we have to change it both with G01 command. Movement of x is 12 mm but in right direction, and y is minus 13 because tool moves in downward direction from the 0 0. So now this point becomes our 0 0 point. As per the incremental mode command, we have to move in downward direction. There is no movement in x, so only y movement is given in block number N150 with code Z01 for linear interpolation and y minus 10. Now once again there is an arc and cutter has to move in anti-clockwise direction. We have to use the command Z03 and the coordinate value of x is 15 and it is with a positive sign because the cutter move in right from the reference point, but it is below in y direction. That's why we use the minus sign with radius 15. Now it is simple straight cutting, so we use the command G01 for linear interpolation in y direction, but it is in downward direction from our last position 0 0, and there is no movement in x. That's why we wrote y minus 30, and Then after one straight cut is remain to complete the job, only movement in x direction, but it is in left from our last position 0 0. So we wrote x minus 20 and we reach to the our origin 0 0. We move the cutter 1 mm away from the top surface, then after quickly move up to 10 mm by using the rapid traverse command Z00 and stop the program and repeat. So our part program is ready for this geometry. Now